Hey there, green thumbs in the making. Are you ready to embark on a creative journey that will not only beautify your garden, but also bring you immense joy and satisfaction? Want to add some personality to your garden? Imagine having planters that reflect your unique style and creativity. Skip the store-bought planters and make your own. It's a fantastic way to personalize your space and make it truly yours. It's easier than you think, and a whole lot more fun. Gather your family and friends and turn it into a delightful group activity. Plus, you'll be saving money and giving new life to old things. Repurposing items is not only eco-friendly but also adds a touch of history and character to your garden. DIY planters let you express yourself. Whether you prefer intricate designs or simple elegance, the choice is yours. Make them colorful, rustic, or modern, whatever suits your style. The possibilities are endless, and each planter can tell a story. No two planters will be the same, and that's the beauty of it. Each creation is a unique piece of art that adds charm to your garden. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build something awesome for your plants. Sketch your ideas, gather your materials, and start crafting. Let's get our hands dirty and turn trash into treasure. There's something incredibly satisfying about transforming old items into beautiful planters. It's time to dive into the world of DIY planters. Share your creations with friends and inspire each other. Get ready to be surprised by what you can create. Your garden will thank you, and you'll have a blast along the way. Before we start building, let's talk materials. The beauty of DIY planters is that you don't need to spend a fortune. The good news is, you probably already have what you need lying around the house. From the garage to the attic, there are hidden gems everywhere. That's right, we're talking about recycling and upcycling. It's not just good for the environment, but it also adds a unique touch to your garden. Old tin cans, plastic bottles, wooden crates, and even old boots can all become planters. Each item tells a story and adds character to your garden. Got an old tire gathering dust? That's planter gold. With a bit of creativity, you can turn it into a stunning centerpiece. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, it's practically free. You get to save money while creating something beautiful and sustainable. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, or should I say, outside the recycling bin. Innovation is key, and sometimes the most unexpected items make the best planters. Look around your home with a fresh perspective and see what treasures you can uncover. That old teapot or chipped mug could be your next favorite planter. Remember, one person's trash is another person's planter paradise. So get creative, have fun, and happy planting. Ready to build? Let's dive into a fun and eco-friendly project. Let's start with a simple tin can planter. It's a great way to recycle and add some greenery to your space. First, clean out your tin can thoroughly. Make sure there's no residue left. Grab some colorful paint and let's get creative. After cleaning, dry the can completely. This ensures the paint adheres well and lasts longer. Next, poke a few drainage holes in the bottom using a hammer and nail. This step is crucial for plant health. Now for the fun part, painting. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Choose your favorite colors and let loose. Don't be afraid to mix and match. You can paint the whole can, create patterns, or even add a funny face. The possibilities are endless. Once you're happy with your design, let the paint dry completely. This might take a few hours, so be patient. After the paint is dry, add some potting soil. Then, gently place your favorite plant inside. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. Your very own DIY planter is ready to show off. See? Easy peasy. Place it on a windowsill or your desk to brighten up your space. And the best part is, no two planters will be alike. Each one will reflect your personal style and creativity. Each one will have its own unique charm, just like you. Happy planting! Section 4. Beyond the basics, more DIY planter ideas to explore. Feeling adventurous? Let's explore more DIY planter ideas. Remember that old tire we talked about? Clean it up, paint it a bright color, and stack it for a vertical garden. Or cut it in half and create two unique planters. Plastic bottles can be transformed into hanging planters. Cut off the top part, decorate it, and use rope or twine to hang it up. Wooden crates make rustic and charming planters. Just add some lining to protect the wood and you're good to go. Section 5. Green thumb up. Caring for your creations and letting creativity bloom. You've built amazing planters. Now let's keep those plants thriving. Remember to water your plants regularly and give them plenty of sunlight. Keep an eye out for any pests and treat them promptly. Most importantly, have fun and keep experimenting. Try different materials, designs, and plants. Add your own personal touch to each creation. Remember, there are no mistakes in DIY, only opportunities for creativity. So go ahead, unleash your inner artist and watch your garden flourish with pride. Happy planting!